Hello, my name is Alex from the Advent Labelable Applicator Company. This is going to be a point of view video of an Advent 301 labeling 1-gallon containers. We have the machine. It's on a cart, but normally it would be a tabletop machine. And we've already done one sample label here, as you can see. Looks fantastic. We're registering onto the handle, so when it's on the shelf, you could have the handle facing the customer, and it looks really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this one so you can just see how accurate it is. What I'm doing is essentially I'm registering off a mold line right here, the handle. I have it lined up right here on this overhead pressure arm, which comes standard with the machine. And when you rotate it, you want to start the label feeding right away, so that will get it to feed right away. As you can see here. And we have 2 labels on there, just perfect. Perfect accuracy within about a 1/16 of an inch. So I'm going to go ahead and just label up these 3 other containers as quickly as I can. Now the operator could actually just line it up that way and then just push down, and then you just tap to get it started. You can see, just like that. Or you could try put it in there as accurately as possible. Again, a quick tap, a single label only goes on. It takes about 2 seconds for that label to go on. Tap, hold it down, start it, just like that. So we've done 4 containers. They're all very, very accurate. And this one looks like it might be off just a little bit. So if you need to make an adjustment, of course, just make sure it's as accurate as you insert it into the labeler. Hold down. You can see that one I was definitely off. So that's in the center line. Just perfect. You can see the difference. But very, very straightforward registration. You probably average about 15 containers a minute. And that is the Advent 301. Thank you.